Welcome to Pure Health, your ultimate destination for all things health and wellness. Today, we're diving into the world of cabbage, a humble vegetable that's been a staple in diets around the world for centuries. From soups to salads, cabbage is not just versatile in the kitchen, but also a powerhouse of nutrition. Stick around as we explore the origins, nutritional profile, health benefits, and much more about this leafy green. Cabbage is believed to have originated in Europe, specifically in the Mediterranean region, over 4,000 years ago. It was a crucial part of the diet in ancient Greece and Rome, where it was revered for its medicinal properties. Over time, it spreads to other parts of the world, becoming a dietary staple in Asia, Europe, and later, the Americas. Cabbage offers a wide range of health benefits. It's known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. The fiber content aids digestion, while the antioxidants support heart health by reducing oxidative stress. Moreover, it has been linked to cancer prevention due to its high levels of glucosinolates compounds that may help inhibit the growth of cancer cells. Cabbage is a rich source of vitamin C, and K. Vitamin C is crucial for immune function, skin health, and iron absorption, while vitamin K plays a vital role in blood clotting and bone health. It also contains smaller amounts of other vitamins like B6 and folate, which are important for energy metabolism and brain health. Cabbage is incredibly nutrient-dense. A 100-gram serving contains just 25 calories, but offers 2 grams of fiber, 36.6 milligrams of vitamin C, and 76 micrograms of vitamin K. It is low in fat and sodium, making it an excellent addition to any diet, especially for those looking to manage their weight or improve heart health. Cabbage is extremely versatile in the kitchen. It can be eaten raw in salads, fermented into sauerkraut or kimchi, cooked into soups and stews, or even roasted as a side dish. One popular recipe is stuffed cabbage rolls, where the leaves are filled with a savory mixture of rice, meat, and spices, then baked in a rich tomato sauce. Recent studies have shown that cabbage high levels of glucosinolates can help lower the risk of certain cancers, particularly colon cancer. Another study highlighted its role in supporting cardiovascular health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood pressure. The fiber content also promotes a healthy gut microbiome, which is crucial for overall health. Cabbage is generally safe for most people, but should be consumed in moderation by those on blood-thinning medications due to its high vitamin K content, which can interfere with the medication's effectiveness. Always consult with your healthcare provider if you have concerns. Incorporating cabbage into your diet can bring a host of health benefits, from boosting your immune system to protecting your heart and even reducing cancer risk. Whether you enjoy it raw, cooked, or fermented, this nutrient-packed vegetable deserves a place on your plate. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health tips and wellness advice, be sure to subscribe to Pure Health and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Remember, good health is the greatest treasure one can possess. Thank you for watching.